Nice electric stove. How much? That is so tired. Has to share and is Hi guys, as you know, we are in Jamaica and I want to show you guys a little tour of our Airbnb. As you enter, you have a washroom. Then we step right across from the washroom is the kitchen. This is a full refrigerator. It has it's empty because we literally just came, but it's a very big fridge. And then this is the kitchen. This is the sink. Nice electric stove. You have a toaster and a kettle. And some coffee and peanuts and peppermint tea. It has a lot of covered space. Nice microwave. The kitchen is a very practical kitchen. I like it. Alright, moving on. We have a half bath. So guys, this is the bathroom. Just a half bath. And nice sink. I love the sink. Across from the half bath, we have the breaker box. This is the living area. Xavier is trying to log into YouTube, Pazaya. That is so tired. This is the living room. It's a nice living room. Have a nice, comfortable couch. Very spacious. Little table for work, and I have work. And then this is the bedroom. Oh my! I can't find the switch. Guys, this is the bedroom. This is the view from the bedroom. Nice view of the mountains. The bedroom have two bedside table, nice comfortable bed, and then down this hallway is a closet and a bathroom. Love the shower. And I love the sink. This is the same sink from in the half bath. It's a floating sink. Love it. But this Airbnb is beautiful. Guys, it has an balcony. It has two chair and a table. And this is the view from the balcony. Guys, this is the rooftop of the Airbnb. And we are walking towards the pool. This is the view. Go at 360. Over there says the gym. So this is the pool. It's open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Someone is in there, so I can't film the part. It's a view. As you can tell. Let's go down. Morning. Let's go down here. It's like it's a gathering here, like. Yeah. And this is. And over where that building is right there, that's the gym. This is like another, yeah, another gathering area. Look at the view from this side. It's a very nice Airbnb. Very nice. Oh, this is the other side of the pool, but someone is swimming in there, so I can't film that. This is the gym. And it's a fully functioning gym because the concierge, she told us about it. But look like they're painting or doing some renovation. Oh yeah, it's open. This is the gym. Nice, it has a treadmill here. Yeah, I think they're still doing some work. Oh yeah, this one look like it's not working. But look like it's only the treadmill and the cycle. And there's no weights here. But they look like they're working on it. It's a very nice Airbnb. This concludes my Airbnb tour. This is the elevator. Okay.